I'm Sunil Kumar BL, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Canara Engineering College. I'm handling Advanced Computer Architectures 17 CS 72. Textbook is Advanced Computer Architecture by Kai Ham and Naresh Jotwani. Reference book is Computer Architecture, a Quantitative Approach by John L. Hennessy and David A. Patterson. Chapter 1 talks about parallel computer models. The contents are shared memory multiprocessors, distributed memory multicomputers, taxonomy of MIMD computers. Under shared memory multiprocessors, the UMA model, the NUMA model, and the COMA model. Uniprocessor system has a single processor, while multiprocessor system have two or more. Single processor drawbacks are low performance, no multitasking, low throughput. The two categories of parallel computers are multiprocessors and multicomputers. These physical models are distinguished by having a shared common memory or unshared distributed memories. The three shared memory multiprocessor models are UMA, NUMA, and COMA. They differ in how the memory and peripheral resources are shared or distributed. UMA stands for Uniform Memory Access, NUMA stands for Non-Uniform Memory Access, and COMA stands for Cache Only Memory Access. The UMA model. Here, physical memory is uniformly shared by all the processors. All processors have equal access time to all memory words, so it is called uniform memory access. Also called tightly coupled system because of high degree of resource sharing. There are two types, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric means all processors have equal time to all peripheral devices. Asymmetric means one or subset of processors have execute capable. The concept of master-slave is being used here. One can be treated as a master and other processors are called attached processors. The diagram shows the UMA model. We have n number of processors here named P1, P2 up to Pn. As well as we have multiple shared memories SM1, SM2 up to SMM. So these are all shared memories. Even they are connected to IO devices through system interconnect. So that system interconnect can be a bus, crossbar, or multi-stage network. Now, when I want to access any of the memory, the equal amount of time is being used. So, if I want to connect SM1 to processor 1, P1, so the amount of time taken to access the data will be same as accessing the memory location in SM2 by the processor P1. So the name is given like uniform memory access. The non-uniform memory access model. A NUMA multiprocessor is a shared memory system in which the access time varies with the location of the memory word. The two types of NUMA machine models are discussed here. The diagram shows the two models of NUMA. Each processor has its own local memory. Local memory access time is less than other memory access. NUMA multiprocessor is a shared memory system in which the access time varies with the location of the memory word. Two NUMA machine models are shown in the previous diagram. The shared memory is physically distributed to all processors called local memories. The collection of all local memories forms a global address space accessible by all processors. It is faster to access local memory with a local processor. The access of remote memory attached to other processor takes longer due to the added delay through the interconnection network. Globally shared memory can also be added to the multiprocessor system. The three memory access patterns are: the faster one is local memory access, next comes global memory access, and the slowest one is remote memory access. The processors are divided into several clusters. Each cluster is itself an UMA or NUMA processor. All these clusters are connected to global shared memory modules. The entire system is considered a NUMA processor. The COMA model. This model is a special case of NUMA machine in which the distributed main memories are converted to caches. The diagram shows the COMA model. There is no memory hierarchy at each processor node. All the caches form a global address space. Remote cache access is assisted by the distributed cache directories as shown in the diagram. Depending on the interconnection network used, sometimes hierarchical directories may be used to help to locate copies of cache blocks. Initial data placement is not critical because data will eventually migrate to where it will be used. Distributed memory computers. The system consists of multiple computers, often called nodes, interconnected by a message passing network. Each node is an autonomous computer consisting of a processor, local memory, and sometimes attached disks or I/O peripherals. The diagram shows the distributed memory multicomputers. A message passing network provides point-to-point static connections among the nodes. All local memories are private and are accessible only by local processors. For this reason, traditional multicomputers have also been called no remote memory access machines. Inter-node communication is carried out by passing messages through the static connection network. With advances in interconnection and network technologies, this model of computing has gained importance because of its suitability for certain applications, scalability, and fault tolerance. Taxonomy of MIMD computers. Multiple instruction, multiple data stream parallel architectures can be categorized as shared memory multiprocessor and message passing multicomputers. Processors exchange information through their central shared memory in shared memory system and exchange their information through interconnection network in message passing system. A multiprocessor is a system with two or more processors. Multiple processors can do the task at the same time. There are two types: central memory multiprocessor, second one distributed memory multiprocessor. In case of central memory multiprocessor, all the processors share the common memory. In a distributed multiprocessor, every processor has its own private memory. Similarly, multicomputers divided into distributed multicomputers and central multicomputers. To conclude, we have discussed the difference between multiprocessors and multicomputers. Thank you.